In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bold, dynamic captions for your Reels in Adobe Premiere Pro. Captions don't just make your content accessible, they keep viewers engaged, help with retention, and add a polished, on-brand look. Let's walk through a clean, repeatable workflow you can use on any project. Start by creating your captions. In Premiere Pro, open the text panel by going to Window, then Text, and choose Create Captions. If you've already transcribed your sequence, this will generate caption items automatically. Take a moment to skim the timeline and fix any obvious typos, adjust line breaks so each line is easy to scan, and nudge timing if a word appears too early or lingers too long. Clear, accurate timing is the foundation for everything that comes next. Now, give your text some weight with strong, modern fonts. Swap the default type for something bold and highly legible like Montserrat Bold or Babus Neuer. Keep sizes generous for mobile viewing and avoid ultra-thin or overly decorative styles that get muddy on small screens. If your captions are all caps, add a bit of letter spacing to improve readability. Consistency here will help your captions look intentional, not accidental. Next, introduce color contrast to make keywords pop. Pick 2 or 3 brand-friendly colors and reserve the brightest shades like yellow, neon pink, or cyan for the words you really want viewers to remember. Against a dark background, those highlights will jump off the screen. Select a word or phrase, change its fill color, and check it on a phone preview if you can. Aim for contrast that's eye-catching without straining the eyes. To add presence without clutter, enable a background box. You can turn on a background or add a rectangle behind the text and set its opacity to around 60 to 80%. This semi-transparent box separates your captions from busy footage and keeps them readable in any lighting. Keep padding even on all sides so the text has breathing room. Make your captions feel alive with simple animation. Select a caption layer, open the effect controls and keyframe opacity for quick fades or position for subtle slides. A short 6 to 10 frame fade in and out is often enough. Keep motions consistent and smooth so they enhance, not distract. Finally, save your look as a style preset so you can reuse it across all your reels. Save the font, size, color, background, and animation settings as a name style. Next time, apply it in one click, tweak per word, and you're done. That's it. Clean.